to another video. So I said that I would show you what I purchased over in the sales even, and the first one that I've got here is from Nailchemy. These were, I actually placed 2 orders and they've sent them as one because I'd done them over the Christmas New Year when they were shut. And look, Hayley put a little message on my box. Oh, I love you. I thought that was so cute. I loved it. So anyway, moving on. I've got 2 orders here to show you. I'm going to open the smaller box first, and I was really, actually this thing here, this little colour wheel, I'm going to do a video on this. I know you're probably thinking, a video on a colour wheel, but actually it's really useful. And I wanted one a long time ago, and when I went to get one they hadn't actually had any in stock, and this time they did, so I was really pleased. They also put Lush chocolate bars in. If you're from the sort of West Country, I'd never heard of Lush before. I've heard of Lush but not Lush. I think it's like a West Country thing, but they say that a lot on the group. And this was me just checking if it had calories in it, which obviously it's going to, but you know, you never know your luck. But it did look 557 per 100 grams. So yeah, about a third of that is going to be in the chocolate bar, unfortunately. And my diet went pretty badly last week, by the way. I'm not going to weigh myself until next month. I'm going to weigh myself once a month. So we'll see how I get on. Oh. Anyway, inside this box, I have missed these guys so much. These just are the most amazing gel paints in the whole wide world. Also on the back of that leaflet is the Wishes collection. Oh, I really wanted to buy them all, but I couldn't afford them all. Anyway, so I ended up throwing my artisans away because a lot of them had leaked, and honestly the pots were so mucky. But they have, look, since updated their packaging, and they come in these little pump dispensers, which are great because if you've got their little, they do this little palette with a lid. So if you use these a lot, you can dispense into that palette and then close the lid up, and then the gel will be fine in there, like for what you don't use. If you buy the whole collection, you also get an 8mm detailer brush and this little mixing palette, which I obviously need because that one there was my previous one. As you know, it's like been through the wars. But yeah, you get 12 colours in this kit as well. I can't remember how much they are, but they are, if you need to buy gel paints, of all the ones that I've tried so far, these ones are definitely my favourite. So you get yellow, orange, green, blue, pink, red, purple, brown, white, black, gold and silver. I think that's all of them. I hope I said them all. I'm not sure, I can't remember. Anyway, I also needed to make my order up because I got all this in the sale, by the way, when there was 20% off. If you order over, I think it's over £75, you get free shipping. So I got these long tape, they're like square tips, they're really long. These are really good for doing like competition nails. You get 20, I think, and they're something like £2.99, so I ended up getting 2 lots. And I've wanted one of these for so long. I know different people do these now, and I didn't realise, because I've been out of the Nailchemy loop for a few months, I didn't realise they had released one of these. But these are the, you know, you get those metal files where you can put your own grits on. This is the little trial kit thing that they do. They also sell the replacement grits, and they've got like, they're like stickers, so you peel off the sticky bit on the back, and you place them on this metal file. But you get in this trial kit, which I thought was really good for a trial kit, you get 2 100 grits, you get 2 150 grits, I think, 150 there, 2 180s and 2 240 grits. So I don't really use 240 grits very often, but it's good. I mean, if you don't use 240 grits often, then you don't have to buy them, you just buy the replacement one. Like I use 100 180 grit files a lot. So all you do is, so you kind of, they basically stick on. So this peels off the back, and then on the back of that it's sticky. So you just sort of line that up on your, you can't see because I'm out of shot. So bloody annoying. But then what I do is I just peel that through and then just make sure it's sort of lined up. And then you've got your file. And then I do put the other one on the other side. If you wanted to leave that, you could leave that. You could not put another one on the other side. You could just have that with the Nailchemy logo showing if you wanted to. But I suppose to make it, no, to, what's the word? To get the most out of it, then you'd put another one on the back. Does that make, you know? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so there we go. So one side I've got 100, the other side I've got 180. And then you will, I think you do need to, because they do feel a little bit rough. Not rough, but like a little bit sharp on the edges here. So I would just, again, you know, like you do with normal files, just buff around the, or just file around the edges of it, just so that it doesn't cut your clients when you're filing. The next box. I got these really... look, another box, another chocolate bar. I thought I was going to get a, sometimes they do these, they're like golden tickets, I think they call them. Throughout December they were putting golden tickets in boxes, but because I ordered these at the very end of December, so I'm assuming they run out of golden tickets, unfortunately. But they're like little scratch cards, and you can win up to £100 of Nailchemy vouchers. And yeah, it's just a nice touch that they add to orders. These, right, as you can see on my nails at the minute, I've got no free edge, and I thought these would be really good for when I have my little moments, my anxiety moments, and I pick my nails off. I could use these to just put on my nails, which I've done at the moment, just so that my free edge grows. And then what I plan on doing is when the free edge has grown out a little bit, I will then go over with my my bling line overlay, because I absolutely love my bling line overlays. I don't know why I bought these ones, but I got some, these are the long tapered square tips. I don't know why I got them, really, looking at back now, because I never wear my nails that long. And I probably should have got two of the shorter sizes. But if you want them longer, these are the longer tapered square ones. They're not massively long. They're not like, I mean, they probably are to a lot of people, but in the nail world, these aren't long. Also, I thought they might be good for my mum as well, so that's another reason. Right, so we've got some fiber gel tips. We've got the tapered square and the regular size, and I have got these. Oh yeah, I got some of the fiber gel. I got it in clear, just to apply them. To be honest, I probably didn't need this. I probably could have used my bling line gel, but I don't know. Hey ho. There we go. It's got a little bit of fibre in it, so this is good for people that need a little bit of extra strength, which I do because my nails are terribly thin. And then I bought 3 colours from the Wishes collection. I can't remember what's in that bubble wrap bit. But anyway, I really wanted to buy the whole Wishes collection, but I just couldn't afford it at the minute, so I ended up just getting 3 of the glittery ones. It's a really nice collection because it's got 6 of these glittery gel polishes. This one's called Happiness, and then it's got 6 kind of normal gel polishes, but I think they've got like a metallic shimmer to them. I can't really remember. I don't really know actually, because I've been out the loop, as I said. Anyway, so you get like 6 glittery ones and then 6 sort of more plain colours, and you can, you know, wear them together or you can pair them up, and it's just a really nice collection. And this one's called Kisses. I can't remember what that middle one was. Oh, Blessings. This is actually, yeah, it's more red, but it looked quite pink when I was looking at them. But they're really, really gorgeous. I've got Happiness on at the minute, and it's really nice. So I've got those 3, and what else did what is this? Oh, I remember what this is. I wanted some chromes. Karen from Nail Sugar doesn't actually sell chromes anymore, which is sad. So I got these. I only got 3. And I wanted them, they do like those kind of you know, like the colour shifting chromes. They do those, but I just wanted plain coloured chromes. I got this, this one's called Mars, so they're named after planets. This one's Mars, and obviously it's red. But these are like the compact, you know, the compact pigments. It looks like eyeshadow. Well, I don't know if it does because I don't wear makeup, but you know, like eyeshadow comes compact, and you know, there's little, yeah, it looks like that. And then I got Satin, which is the purple one. They look really nice inside the, don't they look gorgeous in there? They look really, really nice. Anyway, I can't wait to try them. And then the last one I got was Neptune. And this is a really nice blue. They do two blues. I can't remember if this was the lighter one or the darker blue. I think this was the lighter one. They do another one. I can't think what it's called. But anyway, this is all my stuff that I got from Nailchemy on their Christmas sale. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Yeah, I think that's it really. Tomorrow I've got I quite like tomorrow's set. Oh, anyway, see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye.